Hey, so how to install Penn and Teller Magic Chat app? So here is the app, and basically, if you're a fan of this show, it can be a handful app to have, and it's in the top charts of entertainment category in US App Store. So 38 megabytes only, and it's a free app, so you can get it for free. And this app is a tool for fooling your friends into thinking they are texting directly to Penn or Teller, who answer with smart remarks and the punchline. So that's that. So let's just check it out. So here is make sure that the Penn and Teller chat app is open and then the fake home menu screen. Ask your friend to name a random card. You have a real spread it out in the face. So say you know Penn and Teller personally and they'll do a trick. Bring this app, quickly touch for this suit bottom of the screen, then the value, and hand the phone to your friend. And have your friend choose either Penn or Teller and send a message asking which card your friend picked. By tapping the menu bar on the chat list, you can reset the trick and go back to the fake screen. So that's that. So there you have it. That's like a fake screen here. And yeah, so this is the tutorial again. And if you tap and hold here, you will see the trick.